you to the Ask Jeff YouTube channel. Here's today's question. What does the Bible say about swearing on the Bible? Example, in a courtroom or being called for jury duty. Well, the Bible is very interesting because it testifies that let our yes be yes and let our no be no. And when one swears on the Bible, or unfortunately in today's context, there are people of other faiths that request another, quote, sacred book to be sworn on. What you're basically saying when you swear on a Bible is you're not putting God to the test. You're not basically saying God's on my side. By swearing on the Bible, at least in its original state, what you're stating is this, that I'm going to tell the truth. And if I don't tell the truth, I'm willing to stand before God in judgment of my own life, my own soul, and my own testimony. The reason for swearing on the Bible is you're not doing some type of religious act, or you're not putting God to the test. What you're doing before the judge, what you're doing before the jury, and what you're doing before those who are going to trial, or whatever the context is you're saying, I'm so confident in what I'm about to tell you, I'm willing to stand before God Himself with this testimony. So really, the swearing on the Bible has nothing to do with the Bible. It really has nothing to do with God. It has everything to do with you and your willingness to say, this is the assurity of my testimony. Now, again, the Judeo-Christian ethic and the scriptures in particular are a major part of the founding of our country and our judicial system. But really, the swearing in on the Bible is more of an implementation of, because if I bear false witness, sure, there can be contempt of court, there can be all types of things that happen in the judicial system, but all that pales in comparison to standing before God saying I willingly, openly lied and told people I was telling the truth. So again, I've been called to court as a test to bear testimony. I have sworn on a Bible because to the best of my ability, I'm going to tell the truth whether God is standing before me or I'm standing before a jury. Great question. If you have one, send it to AskJeff.net. Maybe your question will be tomorrow's. Thanks for being a part of today's daily question. Now, we answer a question each and every day. Please feel free to submit a new question at AskJeff.net. We may not have gotten to yours today, but we eventually will continue to be a part of this. Subscribe so you don't miss out on a question every day.